Hello children, this is your social science teacher, this week Kaur. Once again, welcome to my social science classes. And today I am going to revise your chapter number 3 that earlier I gave you flow chart in my previous videos. And today I am going to tell you some important terms, although this chapter has been done previously, but keeping in mind your midterm second and midterm, I have started that revision work once again. So you have to see this video, listen and try to note down all the important terms in your portfolio. I'm revising again and again this, that whatsoever important terms I'm giving you, that you have to write in your portfolio. Okay, portfolio, small notebook you have to maintain, where this whatsoever work, some related to map and some this new words, keywords, or in the name of important terms whatsoever I am giving you, that you have to write. Okay children, please don't forget to write it. First is treason. Treason, as you know, that it is crime of betraying one's own country, especially by attempting to kill or overthrow the sovereign government. Right? It is treason. Sovereign government को overthrow करना, attempt करना या kill करना, that is, it is a type of crime. Second, apartheid in South Africa. Policy of system of segregation or discrimination on the basis of color of their skin. Blacks and whites के according जो हम करते हैं, that is, and we are not doing, but it was there in practice, right? In South Africa and America it was also there. Then our third term is Communist Party. It was a political party. Communism principles were adopted by this state policy, and application of the social and economic principles are there. The name originates from 1848 tract manifesto of the Communist Party given by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. He was his friend, and both they have written one book also, Das Kapital. Das here refers to the workers, Das Kapital. In that book, Karl Marx has given all his theories, and it is available in our school library. You may read it whenever school reopens, right? So my fourth term is Constitution. That is very clear. That is the name of our chapter. We are doing whatsoever this is Constitution. You may sum up it and write your definition in, like, it is a body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to a state or country acknowledged to be governed. Then my first very important fifth term is preamble. Preamble, it is very primarily जो बिल्कुल प्राइमरी बेस पे, और preparatory statement और an introduction about the constitution. इसकी मैंने आपको पिक्चर भी दिखाई थी. I told you that it is a page, we the people of India solemnly resolve India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. I mean to say, it is the introduction, and that introduction almost tell us like a nameplate of the house. बाहर, घर के बाहर नेम प्लेट लगी होती है, उसमें घर के ऑनर का नाम, मेंबर्स का नेम होता है समटाइम, और समटाइम उनकी जो डेजिग्नेशन है, एजुकेशन है, दैट ऑल आर रिटन देयर. ओके. देन माइनॉरिटी, द स्मॉलर नंबर और पार्ट. ऑपोजिट फॉर माइनॉरिटी इज मेजॉरिटी, राइट? ऑपोजिट ऑफ minority is majority. Majority means people more in number, and minority mean to say less in number. Then my seventh term is Constitutional Assembly. It was also an organized body which body prepared the Indian Constitution representative composed for the purpose of drafting or adopting Indian constitution, what is to be written, what is to be deleted, how rule would be made, right? How the assemblies would be there, council of minister, prime minister, president, governments level organ, everything is written here in constitution. Then legislative institution. Legislative institution is the organ of the government and belong to the branch of the government that charged with such powers as making laws, levying and collecting taxes, making financial appropriations, making financial appropriations. So in this way, dear children, my next term, that is ninth, that is Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights, sometimes called Declaration of the Rights, Charter of the Rights. It is an important list containing the rights of the citizens. The purpose of this rights, Bill of Rights, is to protect those rights against from which public officials and private citizens are not getting, they are deprived of. So that is the name of Bill of Rights. Then next is philosophy. In this page next is philosophy. यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया ऑलरेडी पहले दूसरे फर्स्ट पेज पे. Philosophy is the study of fundamental nature of knowledge, reality and existence, especially when considered as an academic discipline. Study of fundamental nature of knowledge, reality and existence, especially when considered as an academic discipline. Then my next is liberty. Liberty is the state of being free within the society, state of being free within the society from oppressive restrictions imposed by authority on one's behavior of political view, right? Political view, behavior that is totally free, no restrictions are there upon it. Very, very important term next 12th, that is republic. A state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives. Like in India, we have head of the state, republic state, that is the president, right? And it is elected by the representatives, right? And which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarch. President either elected होता है or nominated होता है, not a monarch. That type of country is republic country. Now you may have understood that India is a republic or not, or how can you say that India is a republic country? Then our next term is fraternity. A group of people sharing a common profession or interest. Group of people sharing a common profession or interest, that is fraternity, भाईचारा जिसे बोलते हैं. Then socialist, a person who advocates the practices of socialism. Then this was my 15th term. Let us move towards the 16th term. Sovereign, supreme ruler, especially a monarch. And to say it is the supreme ruler of the country. Then 17th is trust, an appointed meeting or meeting place. Like there is a important speech of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Terraced with Destiny, right? That you have to remember once again. Then our last term is constitutional amendment. Refers to the modification of the constitution, nation or state. In many jurisdictions, the text of the constitution itself is altered. इसमें कुछ चेंज की जाती है. In others, the text is not changed, but amendments change its effect, right? Like we have heard about some articles, article 17, 51A, 51B, 51C आपने 8th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा. 17 regarding the abolition of untouchability, 51 regarding fundamental rights. So that is the major rights. So in this way, dear children, you have to note down all these important terms in your notebook, that is portfolio, and learn it for 1 mark answer. That is very soon you are going to take your exam, pre-midterm, second as well as midterm. So in this way you have to be ready with all these new words, 1 mark question whatsoever I am providing. So before that I'll give you one test any day, right? Before that I'll give you any test before your actual test in the name of practice test. So be ready. I'll send one message here, or within this video, day after tomorrow. Today it's Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'll take your test Wednesday or Thursday. 2 days continuous test I'll held. Okay, so that you have to take care of this chapter number 1 of chapter number this constitution of your civics. Take care and prepare your test for this chapter for test. Okay, bye children.